This is the Tampa Bay Wallpaper Installer coming to you from Tampa, Florida with another tip on how to install your commercial or residential or your Wolf Gordon wallpaper. In this case, we're hanging Wolf Gordon wallpaper. And I want to give you a quick tip on the corner. So now, I'm at the last piece of the wall that's going to be this 18-inch strip here. Then I have the rest of this left. But you see this part? This is going to go on this part of the wall, right here. Because remember, we did our accent wall and we started in the middle. Now, here's what I want to show you. When you cut this piece, where are you going to cut it? You're going to cut it in the corner? If you do, I guarantee you that you're going to fall short. If I cut this right here, I can hear and feel that there's a gap between the paper and the corner itself. Okay? So what I'm going to do is cheat. I'm going to make my cut here. Okay? Why is that? Because this part of the paper is putting so much tension on this that I can't get a true cut. Okay? Now, because I'm not installing it in the corner here and going onto this wall, I'm going to sever the piece here, then I'm going to push it in, and then I'm going to trim it right in the corner. Do you see how this prevents the corner from being true? There's glue here, there's glue on this. I got to transfer it over to the other side, and then I got to clean this wall. But, so I just wanted to show you that I'm going to cut it here, okay? So I'll do that, and I'm just going to take this piece and put it over to the other side, all right? So here I go. You got to do it like this. There's just no other way to do it. You cut that in the corner, you're going to have a problem. You know what I'm saying? There's all these little tricks on how to hang wallpaper, and this is one of them. You know, it's a pain, it's tedious. But, you know, you live and learn, like I've done these mistakes before. So I'm gonna go all the way up there and I'm gonna cut it, all right? And then I'm going to be able to work that corner so I can give it a true trim right to the corner. All right, so I'll see you on the next frame. I think I'll just go over the job after the end of it. And one more video for the Wolf Gordon installation, and then we'll be done with it. So far, so good, right? It's beautiful wallpaper. Now the guys can come in and put in their floor. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.